Stop paying hundreds of dollars just to edit a simple PDF. For years, slow and expensive software made simple tasks frustrating, but that's no longer necessary. Meet PDNob, a fast, lightweight, and powerful PDF editor built for real-world use. Whether you're editing contracts, school notes, business reports, or scanned documents, PDNob gets it done in minutes. You can easily edit text, images, links, backgrounds, and even watermarks, or remove them completely. With high-accuracy OCR, scanned books and notes become fully searchable and editable while keeping the original layout. PDNob also lets you create PDFs from Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, convert PDFs back without formatting loss, and organize files by merging or splitting pages. Its smart AI tools help you summarize, translate, and rephrase text instantly, perfect for work, study, and content creation. And best of all, no watermarks ever. Your documents stay clean and professional. It works on both Windows and Mac with no unnecessary complications. Now let me show you how to download and use PDNob step by step. All right, so the first thing we need to do is get the software. Head over to the website, and as usual, I'll leave the link in the description or in the pinned comment. Once you are on the website, download the version supported by your OS. I'm going for Windows because I'm on a Windows PC right now. So I'll click on Download. As you can see, it's downloading here. Once it's done, click to install it. All right, once you've installed the app, you will see an interface like this. It welcomes you with this particular PDF already opened, which is a sample PDF. If we check up here, you'll see we have tabs like Home, Comment, Edit, Convert, Page, Protect, Form, and Tools. Starting from the Home tab, we have the Highlight tool, where you can highlight any text in this particular PDF. I can highlight any text over here. I'll select the color I want, and let's say I want to highlight this section. You see? It has been highlighted. Good. Next is the Sticker feature. You can add any sticker you want into the PDF. It has a whole lot of sticker categories that you can browse through to add to your existing PDF. Let's say I want to add this one. I'll just click it and add it anywhere I want to place it. I can adjust it to any size I want and move it anywhere I like. There is one thing that I really like about this software. You can edit anything in this particular PDF, whether it's an image or text. So let's say I want to edit the text. I can simply click on Edit Text, or I'll just click on Edit All so that everything will be easy for me. Let's say I want to edit this part of the PDF. I simply have to click here. Let's say I want to change this to Welcome to Big Wiz Media, right? Something like that. You can basically edit anything in this particular PDF. You can as well add links to it. You can add links everywhere that you want. Now let's say I want to edit this particular image. I can add images to it as well, including a logo. Everything can be adjusted. So let's say I want to edit this particular image. I'll click on it. I can either make it smaller, like this, and as well add my logo to it. I just have to copy and drag it, and it will add the image on. I can drag it anywhere I want. I'll place it here and make it a bit smaller. With PDNob, you can adjust basically everything, including the background. See? I just changed the background from where it was located initially. You can adjust everything in your PDF and even add a watermark. Now, this tool handles scans so well that it is unbelievable. Imagine you have scanned a book or any document using your phone scanner or a real scanner. You can simply drag and drop it here, and you can edit everything or search everything. So I have this scanned product here. I'll simply have to drag and drop it. Good. Once I drop it over here, it will detect that it is a scanned product, so it will ask me to perform OCR. What I have to do is simply click on Perform OCR. I can scan to editable text or scan to searchable text in the image. I'll simply leave it to scan to editable text and click on Perform OCR. All right, as you can see, our OCR is done performing. Just like what we were doing previously, we can now do everything here. We can edit the text in this image. So as you can see, I can change deep to deep facial. Good. It looks weird, but I'm just showing you that you can edit everything here. One good thing is that it maintains the font and the font size of that particular text. It detects the font used in that file. You can move this around. Everything in the tool is editable once the OCR is performed. I can change this to clear, fair skin. You see? Everything is editable, including this logo here. When I'm done editing it, I'll simply have to save it onto my device. I'll click on Save here as a new PDF and just save it onto my device. It's as simple as that. Also, you can search for anything over here. Let's say I want to search for something. I'll click on the search icon here. There is text here that says makeup. So I type makeup, and as you can see, we have it right here. It has been highlighted for us. Another amazing feature of PDNob is that you can also convert PDFs to Word, Excel, PPT, and more. So I have this PDF here. It was actually a doc file that I converted into a PDF, so I'm going to convert it back to a doc. I simply have to click on Convert PDF. I'll select the file, this one, and open it. Now I just have to select the format that I want. I'm going to select Docx. As you can see, it has a whole lot of formats here, like JPEG, PNG, text, and more. But I'm going to leave it to Word.Docx and click on Convert. It will start converting it for me in an instant. And it is done. As you can see, we have it here. It is now converted back to a doc file. It's that simple. Also, with PDNob, you can merge multiple PDFs into one. This is actually useful if you are doing research. It's good for productivity and study. What I have to do is simply click on Merge PDF. I look for Merge here and click Add Files. The one that I have here is already selected, which has 7 pages, so I have to add more files. I'll select all the PDFs that I want to add. I want to add this one, so I'll include that. If I want to add more, I'll include that too. Good. Now I have selected 3 PDFs. One has 7 pages, the other has 2, and this one has 4. All I have to do is simply click on Merge. Now all the pages have been merged. As you can see, it is now 13 pages. Let's check it out. You see, it has been added to the one that I was having already. We are now having 13 pages. This is really good for productivity and research. And just like we did before, you can edit everything as well. Even the one that we just added, you can edit everything. I'll change this to 2026. It's that simple. You can add images as well. I have this image, I can drag and drop it. And resize it, as you can see. When you are done editing, you simply have to save it onto your device. Also, you can right away share it here. Click on Share and email it to a client or anyone you wish to send it to. Alright, so if you are a fan of big whiz media, you know how AI fascinates me. If I were doing this without the feature of AI, this video wouldn't end. It has AI integration using ChatGPT. If you check your right corner here, you can see the PDNob AI icon. You can describe everything that you want the AI to do for you. Let's say I want to summarize something over here. I'll simply select this text. Once I select that part, I see a pop-up window where I can highlight, underline, strike out, or squiggly line. But I'll simply click on AI Tools. Within AI Tools, we have options like Continuation, Polishing, Abbreviate, Explanation, Translate, and Summarize. Let's say I want to polish this particular section. With polishing, I can select between colloquial, concise, detailed, or formal. Let's go for concise and see how it turns out. Alright, it does that. If I don't like it, I can regenerate it, add it as a comment, or copy it and replace it with the one I already have. With the AI tool, you can translate any text from other languages to English. So that's what I'm going to do. I have this German text here, Hallo Leute, so I'll select all, click on AI Tools, and click on Translate. It is going to translate it for me. As you can see, hello everyone, please subscribe to Big Wiz Media. All right, so that is it.